Director of Social Welfare Department, Ngangom Uttam, called on the public to support athletes with disabilities, emphasizing that such backing could help them secure victories for the state. He made this appeal during the ongoing ceremony of Pinky Memorial BOCCE Championship 2024, jointly organized by Special Olympics Bharat Manipur Chapter and Independent Living Trust, today at Ram Krishna Mission School in Uripok. Speaking at the occasion, Uttam highlighted the importance of encouraging persons with disabilities, noting that it fosters social interaction, teamwork, discipline, and leadership skills. He also pointed to the recent Para Games, where Assam claimed the championship and Arunachal Pradesh took first runner-up. Uttam expressed disappointment, stating it was shameful that Manipur, also known as a sports powerhouse, did not secure the top positions. He urged to support athletes beginning with today's inaugural championship and announced that funding has been allocated for para sports of Khelo India. Director of Youth Affairs and Sports, the Pulin Project Officer of Education Department SSA S. David and State Commission for Persons with Disabilities Bishari attended the event.
Manipur sports powerhouse ne hairaga aphau ba sanaroi mayam ama puthokre weightlifting da khangde boxing da khangde football hockey tongan ba athlete mayam ama puthokre aduga para games na kai gidamakta north east ki oina tawbasida Manipur na first taba ngamdribano haibasi itongta hangjagi aduna ngasi tinbiriba oja sing parents sing Manipur gi leiriba mipum khudimakta ina haijaning basi akhoi gi special children singsi persons with disabilities singsi makhoi su sanabada akhoi na punging thogat pisi sanahansi para games ta para olympics ta yauraga leibak ki mingchit purak poyansi sana khona basidna makhoi da team spirit ama pigani discipline ama purakani leadership quality lakani masada self confidence hengalakani mirak tinbang amakpa leadership quality develop torakpa aise yamna maruiba potamani